Hello, good night. Today I want to introduction the application of Radarmedia. Okay. Today I want to introduction if you want to recharge this from a VV can use the click recharger. Okay. I want to you can see how to use the recharger, please. Okay. uh, you can click the button recharger in at home, or you can use menu my profile and click recharger. Okay, and you can two choice, you can choose use bank or use USDT, cryptocurrency. Okay, today I can use the coin VKR of Pakistan Rupee. Yes, you can click a file, use to three choice, use payment, easy face. You can input your account, or you can payment channel just cash and bank card. Okay, you must input your account. This is your account, this number of your bank. Okay, next you can input this number, your number account from a bank. Click go to payment. Okay, choose today. You can use USD cryptocurrency. You can copy address or scan the barcode. Use TRC 221 or ERC 20. I'm recommended you can use TRC 2 ya. Okay, click open the app of Vinen. Click transfer. You pass the address, choice Tron TRC, input you how to transfer to your account Radarmedia. Okay, and go to click process of payment. Thank you. Wait one moment, maybe 1 minutes. After 5 minutes. Okay, this is a time